this video, we will review the best way to duplicate a line item. So if you started working on your bridal bouquet and you have it all built out with your recipe, description, and images, and you want to get started on the bridesmaid's bouquet based on what you've done above, you can do so first by going into the plus button and then clicking duplicate item. Doing that will allow you to completely copy the item to a new line item. And then from there, you can go ahead and edit this to begin working on the bridesmaids bouquets. All right. And then coming into the recipe here, we can edit the name of the recipe. And then we can come down and also make edits based on the changes that we need to apply to the recipe for it to be an bridesmaids recipe. So we can go ahead and either decrease the stem count of the items that we're going to be using, or we can even go as far as change out something and add in something different to make it for the bridesmaids bouquets. All right, and then from there, you would go ahead and save. The second way to duplicate a line item would be to have your new line item that you need to get started on. We'll just add a blank item there. And then if we were starting a bridesmaids bouquet, we can name it and then go ahead and start building out the recipe. From there, we can click the Show All button here, and then we'll be able to see all of the items that we use so far throughout the whole proposal, as well as within the arrangement above. From there, if we wanted to utilize any of the items that we previously used, we can go through and start entering quantities for them. That will add them to the current recipe that we're working on. All right. From there, you can see at the bottom that you currently have a cost for the things that you've added to this recipe, as well as a suggested price there. If we go ahead and save, we'll see the items that we've added so far to that recipe from what we've already used above. All right, so those are going to be the two options in duplicating a line item in its recipe, either using the duplicate item button here, or when you're in your next item, you can utilize the show all button within the recipe. If you have any questions regarding how to duplicate a recipe or a line item, just reach out via chat.